Hello everyone and welcome to One Learning Minute. In this video, I will be explaining you secondary sector of the economy. In secondary sector, firms manufacture and process the products from natural resources into the final goods. Packed fish cans, cooking oil, shoes, clothes, construction of houses and buildings are the prominent examples. So, businesses that operate in secondary sector are mainly involved in manufacturing of products. Raw materials are processed and converted into the final goods. The output is then sold to customers. Economically developing countries tend to have a dominant secondary sector that accounts for a relatively larger portion of the country's national output. Let me give you an example of Pakistan. In Pakistan, manufacturing sector contributes 12.79% of gross domestic product (GDP), and the sector employs 16.1% of country's labor force. It is argued that secondary sector is a wealth-creating sector because manufactured goods can be exported worldwide to earn income for the country. Here, I will be discussing with you the example of China. Chinese cars are exported around the world, including US, Pakistan, and Middle Eastern countries. This was One Learning Minute. See you tomorrow.